Very good morning, you beautiful people. Now, it's coming into daylight and it's very, very windy. It's been blowing gale force most of the night. But what I'm showing you is the back of where I live. That is my mum's grass plant. Now, as you can see, yeah, I'm getting blown about a bit. Here's the thing, as I was saying last night, this area is very, very windy, and my plan with Dual Energy Inc. is to capitalise on that. Simple as. So, this is a 3-minute video. Yep, it's just a bit on the took me breath away there. But I'm showing you an opportunity, and I hope you can hear the wind, because the wind is blowing straight at me from the direction I'm pointing in. Now, this is going to be a 3-minute. Now you see that tall tree, the thin one? Well, these vertical wind turbines, they are about 18 to 20 foot in height. And like I say, this landscape is perfect for that.